cute little storm. I don't know if you can see the water level, but look at my trees. A lot of water. Oh crap, swimming pool over here. What are you doing? Locking me out? Ah, Jessica! That's crazy. Take it through. See the pond. I know, he's shaking like a leaf. It's fine, Boo. It's fine. Go ahead and give him one. It's a good idea. Okay, so here's the pond. It's not too bad, but it is filling up.
I'm gonna give him a cat treat because he loves those. Cat treat, buddy.
Trying to catch it without getting. There we go. That's better. Hey, that's it. I gotta go in.